Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on penalty on tax audit. The name of the case is MANJU SARAN versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 102 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 64. The matter has been decided by JAIPUR ITAT SMC bench and the date of the judgment is 20th February 2023. Friends, as all we know, there is a section 271B which says about levy of penalty on the assessee for not furnishing the tax audit or furnishing the tax audit not within the time limit prescribed for filing the tax audit. In this case, the assessee was not able to file the tax audit within the due date. The reason given by the assessee was that the hard disk of the assessee on computer crashed, due to which it took nearly 3 months to the assessee to complete the data again, compile the documents and then get its accounts audited. Once the accounts were audited, the audited accounts were filed with the department, and these filing was done before any notice, without any intimation from the department, meaning thereby that the assessee has complied with the law without any action taken by the department, or you can say the assessee has complied with the law suo motu. During the assessment proceedings, no fault was found by the assessing officer regarding the tax audit report or the accounts, and the assessment was completed. When the assessment was completed, after that, the learned assessing officer initiated the penalty under section 271B for failure to get the accounts audited in time. The assessee contested on the issue that my computer has crashed and I have filed once I get ready with the tax audit without the prior notice of the income tax department. But the learned assessing officer was not convinced and he levied the penalty, imposed the penalty mechanically. When this matter came to the CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer confirming the penalty imposed by the assessing officer. The assessee has no choice other than to move to the ITAT. ITAT examined the whole issue and deleted the penalty on various grounds. The first ground was that the assessee has come suo motu and filed the tax audit report without the notice of the income tax department. The ITAT also said that in this case, there was no prejudice to the department in not filing the tax audit on time, and there was a reasonable cause which is there in section 273B, because section 273B says that for the penalties mentioned in section 273B, if the assessee is able to demonstrate that there is a reasonable cause for not complying with the law, then in that case the assessing officer may drop the penalty proceedings. It is not mandatory for penalties to be imposed. So the ITAT held that in this case, seeing on the facts and circumstances of the case, the lower authorities, meaning thereby that the assessing officer or the CIT appeal should have not levied the penalty on the assessee and deleted the penalty in this case. Friends, from the conclusion of this case, it appears that crashing of the hard disk of the assessee can be a reasonable cause for not initiating the penalty under section 271B. But from these cases, only some hint should be taken and it should not be used as a planning to delay the tax audit or the compliances. It should not be taken as a routine matter. If there is a genuine cause or genuine hardship on the assessee, only then there should be delay. But as a routine practice, these type of excuses should not be adopted, because the assessee has to substantiate in the proceedings that actually the computer has crashed. I think that this case is very important in handling those cases where the department imposes the penalty under section 271B. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is MANJU SARAN versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 102 ITR Tribunal, short note 64. The matter has been decided by Jaipur SMC bench, and the date of the judgment is 20th February 2023. Thank you, friends.